guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. I did a total of 3 transactions, but before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into these deals. Okay, you guys, so actually before I get started, I wanted to go ahead and mention this free 8x10 photo that you guys can get. So you can get a free 8x10 photo from now up until the 5th. The only thing that you have to do is use code Easter 8x10 and you can get a free 8x10 photo. And again, this that code is active until the 5th, so you still have time to get it. So I went and picked up mine today and it did come out absolutely free. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys. So now let's go ahead and get started. So as I stated, I did 3 transactions. So the Oral-B toothbrushes, first transaction, second transaction, and then my third transaction right here. So let's go ahead and just get started with the Oral-B. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these Oral-B toothbrushes, and these are the charcoal toothbrushes. I went ahead and grabbed 3 of those. Each of them are priced at $4 each. And the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and purchase 3, and that will bring your total to $12. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app that I used on that. So $12 minus that $5 digital coupon brought the total down to just $7. And remember, when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. I did receive my $4 registry reward, but I used it on my third transaction. So with receiving that registry reward, it brought my total down to just $3. If you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1 back. The limit is 5. I purchased 3 toothbrushes, so I did go ahead and get $3 back from IBOTTA. So pay $3, get $3 back from IBOTTA. That made each of these toothbrushes completely free. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you can see, all 3 toothbrushes rung up at $4 each, so $12. And then this is also the transaction that I scanned my 8x10 photo on. As you guys can see, that did ring up free. My $5 digital coupon for the Oral-B came off, so that brought my total to $7. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash, so I paid the $2 out of pocket. Of course, I used my PayPal debit card, and I got back my $4 registry reward, which again, I used that in my third transaction. So that is my first transaction. So now, in my second transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Ninjamas nighttime underwear. This is the 14 count packs. And then I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Truvia. I think I pronounced that right. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. So with the Truvia, they are priced at $2.99 this week at Walgreens. And they are buy one, get one free. So you will purchase 2. One will ring up for $2.99. Your second one will ring up free. We do have a $1.50 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $2.99 minus that $1.50 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $1.49. But if you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1.50 back. The limit is 5. I purchased 2, so I did get a total of $3 back from IBOTTA. And with getting that $3 back, it made these completely free, plus a $1.51 moneymaker. So this is a really nice and easy deal to do. The only thing you need is the $1.50 digital coupon and the IBOTTA rebate to get these for completely free. And then with the Ninjamas, these are priced at 2 for $18 at Walgreens this week. So you will go ahead and purchase 2. Your total will be $18. We do have, well, at least on my account, I had a Just For You coupon. I had a $3 off of 1 digital coupon. And then I also had a $4 off of 1 digital coupon. So that's a total of $7 in digital coupons that I used. So $18 minus the $7 that I used in the digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $11. And then also the deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. I did receive my $4 registry reward. I used it in my third transaction. So $11 minus the $4 registry reward that I received, that brought my total down to just $7. If you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $2 back. I want to say that the limit is 5. I purchased 2, so I did get back $4 from IBOTTA. So $7 minus the $4 that I got back from IBOTTA, it brought the total down to just $3 for both of these, or it makes each one just $1.50, which is a really nice price for those because they started out being $9 each, but you can get them for $1.50. So that's really a really good price. And so here is my receipt for this. So as you can see, the Truvia did ring up buy one get one free. So the first one rung up at $2.99. The second one rung up free. Both of my NE Jammers rung up 2 for $18. And as you can see, the digital $4 coupon came off, the digital $3 coupon came off, and then the $1.50 for the Truvia. So that brought my subtotal to $12.49. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash, so I paid the $2.49 out of pocket. Of course, I used my PayPal debit card. Didn't get back any points, but I did get back my $4 registry reward for the NE Jammers, my $4 from IBOTTA for the NE Jammers, and then my $3 from IBOTTA for the Truvia. So out of pocket total, not including the Walgreens cash that I used, my subtotal, as you guys can see, was $12.49. I got a total of $11 back in rewards. So $12.49 minus the $11 that I got back in rewards, that brought my grand total down to just $1.49 for all of this, or it makes each item just 37 cents. So this was an amazing transaction as well. So that was my second transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my third transaction. Okay guys, so here is my third transaction, and I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Scott paper towels and 2 packages of the Scott Comfort Plus tissues. And then I was supposed to have grabbed an aluminum foil for 99 cents. I completely forgot, so I had to quickly grab something else at the register. So I just went ahead and grabbed these M&Ms. So the M&Ms, they rung up at $1.39. Like I said, I was not planning to get these, but they were the closest thing to me because I had a lot of people behind me, so I just grabbed those. Now, with the Scott products, they are priced at $5 this week at Walgreens, regularly priced. We do have a $1.25 IVC coupon that you can use on these. So you will purchase one at $5, and then you will use that $1.25 IVC coupon. That will bring your total down to $3.75. Now, if you check the Scott brand website, you can print off a coupon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the coupon that you can print off. So my goal was to use this coupon, guys, but as you can see, the coupon is not cut out. I left this on my printer. So I was unable to use this, but I do plan to go back to Walgreens, so I will use it then. But you can print off this 75-cent Scott Comfort Plus coupon. I have 2, so when I go back to the store, I am going to purchase 2 more packages. So the only thing that you have to do is go to scottbrand.com, make an account if you don't already have one, and you should be able to print off 2 of these. But in my transaction, I was unable to use that, so I went ahead and grabbed two paper towels, 2 tissues, and then I also used registry rewards on this transaction. I had a $4 registry reward before I went to the store, and then I used my $4 registry reward from this transaction and then also my first transaction. So I used a total of $12 in registry rewards. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So as you can see, the M&Ms rung up at $1.39. All of the Scotts rung up at $5 each. The IVC coupon came off 4 times, totaling $5. Here is my $4 registry rewards. It brought my subtotal to $4.39. Taxes included, it brought it to $5.67. Used $5 in Walgreens cash, so I only paid the taxes out of pocket. So that is it for my third transaction, you guys. Overall, I am super excited with how each of my transactions came out. I had no issues at all with digitals coming off, with the registry rewards printing. I had no issues at all. So today was a success. Again, not that many deals this week, but I am going to go back and stock up on more of the Scott products, because this is all I have. Well, this is all I have right here for Scott paper towels. And then I think I have about 3 packages of Scott in my closet. So I am most definitely going to go back and stock up on Scott, especially since hearing that the Scott products the prices will be going up, which I don't know how to feel about that. I'm not too happy about that, but yeah, I need to go ahead and stock up some more on that. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, do me a favor and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your family. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are getting this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I submitted both of these receipts. I got 25 points back just for submitting the receipt. And then with my Scott, I got back a total of $175 for scanning my receipt. So that is going to be it. Oh, and also the Fetch Rewards link is in my description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So that is going to be it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.